Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Guyanese style custard block, which is a delicious dessert that's made with condensed milk and evaporated milk and custard powder and almond essence and everything yummy under the sun. I actually posted a picture of my mom's custard block the other day on Instagram and everyone was like, oh my gosh, this looks so good. I want the recipe, this, that, and honestly I don't blame them because it is so good and definitely satisfies your sweet tooth. So today I'm going to be sharing my mom's recipe with you and I hope that you enjoy it, so let's get right to it. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is in a bowl I'm going to add about half a cup of 3% milk, and I'm also going to add a quarter of a cup of Bird's custard powder. Now once you've added your custard powder to your milk, you're just going to whisk until there is absolutely no clumps. So once you've mixed it and all of your clumps are gone, you can just go ahead and set it aside. So now in my pot, what I'm going to do is add 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm using the brand Carnation. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 can of condensed milk, and I'm using the President's Choice brand. Now at this point I'm going to put it on a low heat because my stove burns pretty quickly. So at this point, once it's hot, I'm going to go ahead and add my custard powder mixture. Also going to add 1 teaspoon of almond essence. Continue stirring at this point until it's reached a thick consistency. This is definitely not something you want to leave at the stove for any reason. I like to make sure that I have all my ingredients right next to me because it's the type of thing that can catch very quickly at the bottom of the pot. So I'm going to go ahead now and add a quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm just going to nicely stir that in. Now what I'm going to do is actually just take my custard mixture and just pour it into 2 dishes. Okay, that's 1. I'm going to go ahead and pour the remaining into another dish. Now once that's done, I'm going to just leave it on the counter to cool before I go ahead and put it in the freezer to chill.